I'm sure you've heard about Snapchat. Watch this video and up your Snapchat video game. Hey everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. Today I will talk about how to make better videos on Snapchat, and hey, for that I will also share a cool tool later in this video, so stay tuned. Before we begin, you need the Snapchat app, obviously, right? So download the app on your phone, either from the App Store on iPhones or from the Play Store on Android devices. Now, when you open the app, you'll see this circular camera recording button. And if you tap on the screen, the camera will switch between the front and the rear camera. And recording a video on Snapchat is super simple. Just tap on the recording button. The button will turn red and will indicate that you're recording. Then to stop recording the video, just hold on the camera button. That's it. You just captured your first Snapchat video. It's that simple. So back in 2017, Snapchat introduced the multi-snap feature. What's that? Glad you asked. See, previously Snapchat could record videos for only about 10 seconds, and 10 seconds is not enough. Because with this feature, Snapchat allows you to record up to 6 consecutive 10-second snaps at the same time. Then you can pick the best snaps and get rid of the rest. So let me show you how you can take longer videos on Snapchat. So go to the Snapchat app and press and hold on the camera button. Keep holding the button even after recording 10 seconds clips to create another 10 seconds of video. In the end, you'll have a long snap that you can trim afterwards. Snapchat has a video function as well down here where you can create a longer video. Record the videos the same way, but this time you can start new clips. You will see these clips below as thumbnails at the bottom of your screen. You can also delete any scenes which you don't need. Just simply drag the scene to the bin icon. Now, I know no one likes to hold the camera button for this long, so here's another way to capture multi-snaps very easily. It's the same on iPhones and Android, so open Snapchat. Now press and hold on the camera shutter and then swipe it to the left. This will lock the camera shutter. And now Snapchat will continue recording until you place the recording button to the right again. Here are some extra pro tips for creating even higher quality snaps with a powerful tool. As we all know, high quality snaps look better and it can attract much more viewers. And not only that, you can also add subtitles to your videos to get more views. Also, you can trim them, crop them, rotate them, add audios or watermarks to them easily. Now, you can save snaps and then download them from your memories. Just tap on save after you record it and go to your memories. Tap on the snap, then tap on export/send snap, and then tap on download. Now you can work on these snaps outside of the application. But you can also add videos from your camera roll, which means that you can create snaps outside Snapchat and then send those. So here is how to add subtitles and effects to a video before sending it on Snapchat. So now let me quickly show you one of the most important features of these. How to add subtitles and effects to your videos using the UniConverter. So first, obviously you need to download the UniConverter. You can do that from videoconverter.wondershare.com. Then open it up. To add subtitles automatically, click on the auto subtitle feature, select the video language and process the video. Then you can style the subtitles or translate them with the AI subtitle translator. Finally, you can export the video with burnt-in subtitles. And there you have it. Your Snapchat video is ready to be uploaded. On Snapchat, you can take a 10-second long video, or you can use the multi-snap feature to make a longer video. You can also use Snapchat's lock icon feature if you want to make a longer video without holding onto the button. And to edit your Snapchat videos, you can use the UniConverter. It's a very great tool, and it's also very easy to use. If you liked the video, make sure that you leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.